Welcome to an incredible journey inside your own body. Today, we'll explore the human skeletal system, our inner framework. This system provides not just support, but also protection, movement, and so much more. Imagine a building without a sturdy frame, or a tent without its supporting poles. They would simply collapse. Your body is much the same. It relies on a strong inner framework to stand tall, to move, and to keep its delicate internal organs safe. This vital framework is your skeletal system. It's made up of all the bones in your body, along with the special connective tissues that hold them securely together. An adult human typically has 206 individual bones. Did you know that babies are actually born with more, around 300 bones? These extra bones gradually fuse together as they grow and develop. So, what exactly does this amazing system do for us? Let's explore its 5 main functions. First is support. Your skeletal system provides a rigid framework that supports your entire body. It gives you your unique shape and allows you to maintain your posture. Without your bones, you can imagine you'd simply be a floppy blob. Second is protection. Your bones act as a shield for many of your vital internal organs. For instance, your skull forms a strong helmet, completely protecting your delicate brain. And your rib cage creates a bony shield, safeguarding your heart and lungs. Moving on to the next crucial functions. Third is movement. Your bones work like simple levers, and your joints act as the pivots. Your muscles, which are attached to your bones by strong cords called tendons, contract and pull on these bones, allowing you to walk, run, jump, and perform countless actions. Fourth is blood cell production. Deep inside certain bones, especially the larger ones, you'll find a soft, spongy tissue called bone marrow. This red bone marrow is truly remarkable, as it's responsible for making all your red blood cells, your white blood cells, and even your platelets, which are crucial for blood clotting. And finally, fifth is storage. Your bones are not just structural, they also serve as a vital storage depot for important minerals, primarily calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are essential for bone strength, but they can also be released into your bloodstream when your body needs them for other important functions. Bones, the building blocks. Let's take a closer look at your bones. Bones are living tissues, not just dry, lifeless structures. They are complex organs with their own blood supply, nerves, and cells. They are constantly growing, repairing, and remodeling themselves throughout our life. Now let us look into types of bones by shape. Bones come in different shapes, each for a specific purpose. Let's explore the main types. Long bones, longer than wide. Example: femur, humerus, crucial for movement and supporting weight. Short bones, roughly cube-shaped. Example: carpals, tarsals, provide stability and limited movement. Flat bones, thin, flattened, curved. Example: skull bones, ribs, offer great protection and broad surfaces for muscle attachment. Irregular bones, complex shapes. Example: vertebrae, pelvic bones, provide specialized support and protection. Sesamoid bones, these are small, round bones that are embedded within tendons. Example: patella or kneecap bones. Their role is to protect the tendon from stress and to improve muscles pull on bones. Let's understand the internal structure of a typical long bone structure. First, compact bone, the very dense, hard outer layer. It provides immense strength and rigidity, resisting bending and compression. Second, spongy bone, found inside ends of long bones and in other types. It's lighter and less dense, with a honeycomb structure. This helps bones withstand stress and contains red bone marrow. Third, bone marrow. Red produces blood cells. Yellow stores fat and can change to red marrow if needed. Finally, covering the outer surface of bones is the periosteum. This tough, fibrous membrane is vital for bone growth, repair, and nutrition. Joints, where bones meet. A joint, also called an articulation, is simply any place where two or more bones meet. These joints allow your body to move in various ways, from no movement to a wide range of motion. Now, types of joints by movement. Joints are classified by how much movement they allow. First type, immovable joints, fibrous, allow little to no movement. Bones are tightly held. Example, skull sutures. Second type, slightly movable joints, cartilaginous, allow limited movement. Bones connected by cartilage. Example, vertebrae in spine. Third type, freely movable joints, synovial, most common, wide range of motion. Have a space with lubricating fluid. Examples of freely movable, synovial, joints. Let's look at common freely movable joints. Ball and socket joint, greatest range of motion, example, shoulder, hip. Allows rotation, bending, swinging. Hinge joint, movement in one plane, example, elbow, knee, finger joints. Pivot joint, rotation around an axis, example, neck, turning head. Gliding joint, bones slide past each other, example, wrist, ankle. Now let's move to ligaments and tendons, which are crucial connective tissues for movement. Ligaments, strong, fibrous bands connecting bone to bone. They stabilize joints and prevent excessive movement. Example, ACL in knee. Tendons, tough, flexible cords connecting muscle to bone. They transmit muscle force to bones, causing movement. Example, Achilles tendon. Divisions of the skeleton. Axial skeleton. Your skeleton has two main parts. First, the axial skeleton. This forms your central core, head, neck, and trunk. Its primary role is to protect vital organs and support your body's weight. The axial skeleton includes your skull, protects brain, your vertebral column, spine, supports, protects spinal cord, and your rib cage, protects heart, lungs, aids breathing. Second, the appendicular skeleton. This includes all bones of your limbs, arms and legs, and the girdles that attach them. These bones are mainly involved in movement. The appendicular skeleton includes pectoral, shoulder, girdle, upper limbs, arms, pelvic, hip, girdle, and lower limbs, legs. Now let's look, bone growth and remodeling. Bones are dynamic, living tissues, constantly changing. Most bones start as cartilage. This cartilage is replaced by bone, ossification, as you grow. Long bones grow longer from growth plates. Bones are continuously broken down and rebuilt. This process repairs damage, adjusts bone strength, stronger with exercise, and regulates mineral levels. This involves two types of bone cells. Osteoblasts build new bone, and osteoclasts break down old bone. Skeletal health. Keeping your bones strong. Taking care of your bones is absolutely vital for a healthy body. Here are the key factors. For healthy bones, calcium, essential for strong bones, consume dairy, leafy greens. Vitamin D helps absorb calcium, available in sunlight, fatty fish. Exercise like walking, running, jumping makes bones stronger. Avoid harmful habits. Smoking, vaping, and excessive alcohol consumption weaken bones. Here are the common skeletal conditions, simplified. Sometimes skeletal conditions occur. Here are a few. Fracture, a break in a bone. Bones can heal, but may need medical help. Osteoporosis, bones become weak, brittle, prone to fractures. Loss of bone density. Arthritis, joint inflammation, causing pain, swelling, stiffness. Scoliosis, sideways curvature of the spine. Thank you for exploring the human skeletal system.